Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. And today again I'm here doing the Euro USD chart analysis for today's trade. So we are not having any high impact news into the market today. So let's directly jump to the charts, and it will be in monthly. Yes. So this is the monthly chart of Euro USD, and what we can see is that we are currently into a BPR kind of structure in the market right now. So I'm anticipating that we can possibly see the price to come below it if we are going to go into the downward structure and mitigate this lower BPR. So there is a possibility for the price to move into the downward side. Yeah. So let's move to the weeklies now. As we move into the weeklies, we can see that we have reacted from this strong high into the price, which I had already explained in my previous video that it can possibly happen, and that happened and the price moved into the downward side. Currently, we can see that the price was reacting and moving into the downward side from this high after taking this high, but we moved into the further upside direction, giving a close above the previous candle, making this a strong high. So let's move to the dailies to see what do we have in here for the price to sustain the upside move. As we move into the dailies, what we can see is that we were having this push in the price, and currently we are moving into the upside direction from this order block over here. So let's move to the 4 hours now. As we move into the 4 hours, things seems a little more clear, and we can see that the price is moving into the further upside direction from this order block, respecting this FVG in the 4-hour structure. So what do we need for the confirmation is a close above this candle. So let's move to the 2 hours to see what do we have in there. So as we move into the 2 hours, this is, I guess, not valid for the hours chart. So let's remove it. So as we move into the 2 hours, we can see that we were having this candle in this structure. We moved into the further upside direction after mitigating this FVG into the price, and currently we are within this candle's range. So if we are going to get a close above this structure, most likely we can go into the further upside direction to mitigate some of the order flows existing over here. So let's move to the 1 hours to see what do we have to resist the current upside move. So if we get a close above this 1 hour's candle, most likely we'll be going till this order flow of the market, and then we are going to see the reaction into the either side. So for today's bias, I'm anticipating that most likely this is valid for the 30-minute. The price reacted from this BPR and moved into the further upside direction. I'll be marking it gray to show this is an order block. So this is the BPR, and the price reacted from this BPR and moved into the further upside direction. So if we get a close above this 1 hour, 2 hour and 4 hour structure, most likely we'll be going till this high, else we can anticipate the move into the further downward side. So let's move to the 15 minutes to define today's bias. So into the 15 minutes, we can see that we have the possibility for the price to come down too. So if we mitigate something over here and then move into the further upside direction, breaking the Asia high and breaking this high too, my target will be this. How many pips is it? That's this 60 pips move. And if that doesn't happen, most likely I'll be waiting for the price to show me a clear sign of the bearish trend into the market. So this is pretty much it, and do let me into the comments if you like the video or you need further more breakdown of the chart analysis. So this is pretty much it. Thank you for watching.